A very good morning to my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all will be in good health, children, and you have a fantastic weekend also. So, children, today we are going to learn GK and English. Okay, in GK, we are going to read lesson number 22, that is community helpers. Do you know what do you mean by community helpers? Community helpers means the person who live and work in the community is called community helpers. What do you mean by community? Community means society. I will give you examples also. The doctors, the policeman, mason, the sweeper, uh, the traffic police, these are called the community helpers. Okay, children, so we will read about them in the lesson Community Helpers, lesson number 22, and after that, we will read English lesson The Cute Boy and do the spellings in the copy. So please be ready with your GK book and English book and English copy with your pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, and let's start the reading. First, we will do GK and then we will read English book and write the spellings. All right, children. So let's do it. So, children, I hope you must be ready with your GK book. That is lesson number 22, Community Helpers. Okay, so we will learn about the community helpers. Let's start. These are the question answers. We will learn about them. Let's read it from the first question. All right, let's do it. Question number 1. Who teaches us in school? Children, who teaches us in school? Answer is the teacher teaches us in school. Who teaches us in school? The answer is the teacher teaches us in school. Let's move to the question number 2. To whom do we go to when we are sick? When you fall sick, to whom you go? Answer is we go to the doctor when we are sick. The question again I am repeating. To whom do we go to when we are sick? And the answer is we go to the doctor when we are sick. Alright. Now let's move to the third question. These all are community helpers. These live in our society and work in the society and work for us. So we should respect them. Okay. So let's read the question number 3. Who catches who catches robbers? What do you mean by robbers, children? Robbers mean daku, chor. Who catches robbers? The answer is the policeman catches robbers. The policeman catches robbers. डाकू को चोर को कौन पकड़ता है? Policeman. All right. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is who mends our shoes? Mends means ठीक करता है. हमारे शूज को, हमारे सैंडल्स को कौन ठीक करता है? And the answer is the cobbler mend our shoes. Again, I am repeating. Who mends our shoes? Answer is the cobbler mends our shoes. हमारे shoes को, हमारे sandals को कौन ठीक करता है? Cobbler. We call it mochi in Hindi. All right. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Who drives the bus? Who drives the bus, children? The answer is the driver drives the bus. बस कौन चलाता है? Driver भैया. The driver drives the bus. All right, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Who brings our letters? And the answer is letters कौन लेकर आता है? Nowadays we are not getting any letters or we are not posting any letters. We are just doing the messages, emails and WhatsApp calling, WhatsApp video calling. So Now you will not see the postman, but still, who brings our letters? हमारे लेटर्स कौन लेकर आता है? द पोस्टमैन ब्रिंग्स आर लेटर्स. पोस्टमैन लेटर्स लेकर आता है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हु कट्स आर हेयर? बाल कौन काटता है? आंसर इज द बार्बर कट्स आर हेयर. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. Okay. Now, next question. Question number 8. Who stitches our clothes? And the answer is the tailor stitches our clothes. कपड़े कौन सिलता है? Tailor. So, who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Now, let's move to the next question. Who brings us milk? And the answer is the milkman brings us milk. दूध कौन लाता है? दूध वाला भैया. So, दूध वाले भैया को क्या बोलते हैं? The milkman. Okay, who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. Now, let's read from the first question. Question number 1. Who teaches us in school? The teacher teaches us in school. Teacher पढ़ाती है. कौन पढ़ाता है आपको? Teacher पढ़ाती है. To whom do we go when we are sick? Sick means बीमार. किसके पास जाते हैं जब बीमार होते हैं? We go to the doctor when we are sick. Next, who catches robbers? The policeman catches robbers. Question number 4. Who mends our shoes? The cobbler mends our shoes. Who drives the bus? The driver drives the bus. Who brings our letters? The postman brings our letters. Who cuts our hair? The barber cuts our hair. Who stitches our clothes? The tailor stitches our clothes. Who brings us milk? The milkman brings us milk. Let's move to the next page. Next is question number 10. Who grows grain for us? Grain means अनाज. अनाज means जो हम खाते हैं, दाल, चावल, जिसकी रोटी बनती है, that is wheat. जो दाल खाते हैं, that is called pulses. Okay, चावल means rice. So, who grows grains for us? कौन उगाता है? The farmer grows grain for us. Farmer को हिंदी में बोलते हैं किसान. The farmer grows grain for us. Question number 11. Who sells vegetables? And the answer is the greengrocer sells vegetable. Vegetable कौन बेचता है? सब्जी वाला भैया. What do we call सब्जी वाला भैया in English? Greengrocer. Okay. Now the next question number 12. Who repair our water pipes? जब हमारा टैप खराब हो जाता है, वाटर पाइप लीक कर जाता है, या घर में ऐसा कुछ भी वाटर से रिलेटेड या बाथरूम में कुछ टूट जाता है, तो who comes to your house to mend it? The plumber. So who repair our water pipes? The plumber repair our water pipes. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Who puts out the fire? Puts out means बुझाना. Fire means आग. So आग को कौन बुझाता है? कभी आग लग जाए किसी बिल्डिंग में तो कौन आता है? And the answer is the fireman puts out the fire. Fireman आता है fire engine लेके. Okay, so fireman puts out the fire. That is why Mama and Papa told us many times, and they keep telling us that do not play with fire, matchbox, candle, etc. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Who fights for our country? The soldier fights for our country. हमारे देश में enemies जो आ जाते हैं, जो बाहर से दूसरे लोग आ जाते हैं, उनसे कौन फाइट करता है? The soldier. The soldier fights for our country. Okay, now question number 15. Who carries our luggage? When you go in a train and when you reach on the platform, do you see this type of person on the platform? These are called porter. Okay, so the porter carries out luggage. Carries our luggage. The porter carries our luggage. Luggage means सामान. तो ये जो porter होते हैं इनको हम कुली भी बोलते हैं. These carries our luggage. ये हमारा सामान उठाते हैं because sometimes we have a heavy suitcase or heavy bag and we are not able to pick it up or carry it. Then we need a porter to carry it. Okay, so porter carried the luggage. Now next question. Question number 16. Who builds our house? And the answer is the mason builds our house. हमारा घर कौन बनाता है? Mason. So the mason builds our house. Now the next question number 17. Who makes furniture for us? Furniture for us. And the answer is the carpenter make furniture for us. What do you mean by furniture, children? Furniture means the table, the sofa, the chair, the almirah, that are called furniture. So who make furniture for us? The carpenter. Carpenter हमारे लिए furniture बनाता है. All right, now the last question. That is question number 18. Who makes pots for us? Children, you must lit a lamp in the Diwali, or you must lit the diyas in the Diwali. Who made that diyas? The potter. Okay, the potter makes pots for us. Okay, so let's revise one more time. Question number 10. Who grows grain for us? The farmer grows grain for us. Who sells vegetable? The greengrocer sells vegetables. Who repair our water pipes? The plumber repair our water pipes. Who puts out the fire? The fireman puts out the fire. Who fight for our country? The soldier fights for our country. Who carries our luggage? The porter carries our luggage. Who builds our house? The mason builds our house. Question number 17. Who makes furniture for us? The carpenter makes furniture for us. Who makes pots for us? The potter makes pots for us. Okay, so these are called community helpers and we should respect them. All right, children. So read these questions, learn these question answers and read it again and again so that you will have a reading practice also. Okay, children. So get ready with your English book and copy. Let's start the English writing. First we will do the reading and then we will write the spellings of that lesson in the copy. All right, so let's do it, children.